If you're planning to replace your entry door, you'll need some measurements and other information related to the handing and swing before purchasing a new one. This information also applies if you have a storm door on your home. Start by determining the door's swing and handing. Open your entry door. If your door opens to the interior of your home, then it's an in-swing unit. If the door opens to the exterior of your home, then it's an outswing unit. Now stand in the open doorway with your back against the hinges. If the entry door handle set is closer to your right hand, then you have a right-handed door. If the handle set is closer to your left hand, then you have a left-handed door. For the opening we're assessing today, this is a right-handed in-swing door. Next, you'll need some basic measurements to estimate the rough opening, or the opening in a wall where the door frame sits. For width and height, we'll have to add to the measurements you take to account for the thickness of the jamb along with the space between the jamb and the rough opening. The amount you'll need to add to your measurements will depend on whether your door is an in-swing or outswing unit. To estimate the width of your rough opening, start by measuring the space between the jambs. Do this from the exterior side across the top, middle, and bottom of the unit and use the smallest number. Now, for in-swing doors, add 3 1/4 inches to that number. For outswing doors, add 2 1/4 inches. The sum will be your approximate rough opening width. Next, measure the height from the bottom of the sill to the bottom of the head jamb. Measure this on the exterior side at the center and both sides and use the smallest number. Now, for in-swing doors, like the one you see here, add 1 3/4 inches to that number. For outswing doors, add 1 1/4 inch. The sum will be your approximate rough opening height. The last measurement is the jamb depth. When measuring the jamb depth, do not include the interior trim or exterior trim, also known as brick mold. If your home has a storm door, then make sure you do not include the storm door frame in your measurement either. This information, along with your door's handing and swing, will help you narrow down your options when selecting a new pre-hung entry door unit for your home.